of dark psychology. There's a reason some people can walk into a room and instantly become the center of gravity. It's not luck, it's not money, it's power. Psychological power. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dominate any room you enter using the secrets of dark psychology. Once you understand these tactics, people won't just notice you, they'll obey you. Here are 7 tips. 1. The first rule of domination is simple. Speak less, appear more. The most powerful person in the room often says the least. Why? Because power is perceived, not explained. When you enter a room, your energy enters before you do. Your posture, your gaze, your silence all send signals. 3 quick tips. Power posture. Open chest, shoulders back, neck straight. You take up space without apology. Eye contact. Don't scan. Don't dart. Pick someone. Look through them. Hold it. Break only when you choose. Slow movements. Rushed people seem weak. Powerful people move with purpose, as if the world adjusts to their rhythm. This isn't about arrogance, it's about control. You're not seeking validation, you are the validation. To master the art of silence. Silence is a weapon, use it like a blade. In dark psychology, silence is often used to destabilize others. When someone expects a response and you give none, you force them into self-reflection, discomfort, even anxiety. In conversation, pause before answering. Let silence stretch. Let the other person fill the gap. This puts them off balance. When insulted, don't defend. Observe. The more they react, the more they reveal. The less you say, the more mysterious and dominant you become. In group settings, observe more than you speak. Identify the real power players. They are rarely the loudest. Never interrupt your enemy when he is making a mistake. Napoleon Bonaparte. Power is not in what you say, it's in what you withhold. Psychological framing. He who controls the frame controls reality. Framing is a core technique of dark psychology. It means subtly redefining reality to suit your dominance. Examples. When you say, let's do it this way, instead of can we do it this way, you're leading, not asking. When you refer to someone as the kind of person who, you frame their identity. People unconsciously live up or down to that. Advanced framing tactic, the elevated perspective. Speak as if you're slightly removed from everyone else, not above, but beyond. Most people don't see it, but what's really going on here is, you place yourself as the observer, the analyst, the one with vision. People trust and follow those who see more than others. Or the law of mystery. Mystery is magnetic, predictability is powerless. Do not explain yourself, do not overshare. The moment people feel they fully understand you, their interest dies, and with it, their respect. Withhold details. When someone asks about your past, offer fragments, not stories. Bury your energy. Some days, you're engaging. Other days, distant. Keep them guessing. Keep them chasing. Protect your emotions. Never let people see how you feel unless it's intentional. Emotion is leverage for them or for you. Mystery creates space in the mind, and in that space, power grows. 5. Social predation. In every room there are predators and prey. The difference is psychological. Here are predator tactics that dominate social settings. Mirroring with control. Match their tone, posture, or speech, then break it. People feel safe when they're like them, but when you change the rhythm, they follow. Scarcity. Value. Be visible, but unavailable. Don't linger. Don't reply instantly. Don't always be reachable. People value what's scarce. Be the rare presence they can't predict. Triangulation. Subtly compare people to others to create competition. Say things like, "You and Jordan approach this differently. He's more instinctive." This creates psychological rivalry and aligns you as the judge, the standard. These tactics aren't about being cruel. They're about control. Ethical? That depends on who's using them. 6. Energy manipulation. Energy doesn't lie. People feel your presence before they hear your words. To dominate any room, control the energetic field. Set the emotional tone. If you're calm, others will become calm. If you're intense, others will adjust to your frequency. Energy withdrawal. The moment you pull back your attention, people chase it. Eye contact, silence, walking away mid-sentence. They all shock the emotional system. Use it sparingly. Use it surgically. This is dark psychology at its peak. Not manipulation for fun, but strategic energy control. You don't force influence. You become the source people orbit around. 7. Verbal dominance. Words can build empires or destroy egos. Verbal dominance isn't about volume, it's about precision. Use "I noticed" instead of accusations. "I noticed you were late" is more piercing than "Why are you late?" Use hypnotic language patterns. You probably haven't realized it yet, but the way you're reacting says a lot. Use commands masked as choices. You can either do it now or later. It's up to you. Speak in statements, not suggestions. Eliminate maybe, just "I think." Speak like reality bends around your words. To dominate any room, you must first dominate yourself. The real secret to dark psychology is not deception, it's self-mastery. You become immune to emotional swings. You no longer seek approval. You stop playing the game and start controlling the board. People follow those who don't flinch. People obey those who don't chase. People respect those who control what they reveal and what they conceal. So the next time you walk into a room, don't seek to fit in. Walk in like you were sent to conquer it, because with the right mind, you were. If this video woke something up inside you, if you felt the shift, hit that subscribe button right now. We don't just talk here. We evolve. We dominate. We rise. Comment below with "I walk with power," so I know who's truly ready to take control. And if you're still watching, you're not average. Like the video and share it with someone who needs to wake up. The world doesn't need more sheep. It needs more lions.